Doc! Marty! Tell me the one that's on my experiment. It's the one I've been waiting for my whole life. Is that a DeLorean? Never mind that now. Never mind that now. Is that a DeLorean? Never mind that now. Never mind. Good evening. I'm Dr. Emma Brown here at Twin Pines Mall on Saturday morning, on Saturday, October 26, 1985 at 1:18 a.m. This is temple experiment number 1. Come on, Eddie. Get in there. Come on, get it, boy. Get it. Come on. That's the one. And you go. Come on. Good job, Einstein. Please note that Einstein's clock is in complete synchronization with my control watch. Do you have that thing hooked up to the car? Watch this. My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're going to see some serious shoot. Watch this, watch this. Ha! What did I tell you? 88 miles! Yes! Ah! Oh my gosh, no! You just discriminated iceberg. Calm down, Marty! I didn't disintegrate anything! Well then where the heck are they? The percussionists? When the heck are they? See, Einstein has just become the world's first time traveler! So you're saying he built a time machine out of a DeLorean? Yeah, the way I see it, if we're gonna build a time machine into a car, then why not do it some style? And plus, instead of steel, look out! What, is it hot?